Siesta Key, a barrier island off the southwestern coast of Florida, is a tropical paradise renowned for its pristine white sand beaches, vibrant nightlife, and charming village atmosphere. With its idyllic weather and stunning coastal scenery, Siesta Key offers a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure, making it an ideal destination for travelers of all ages. This complete travel guide will take you through 12 must-visit attractions and tourist spots on Siesta Key, ensuring you make the most of your visit to this beautiful island. Whether you're a beach lover, a foodie, or an outdoor enthusiast, Siesta Key has something for everyone. Let's dive into the enchanting world of Siesta Key and discover its many wonders. 1. Siesta Beach, often ranked among the top beaches in the United States, is famous for its powdery white sand made of 99% pure quartz, which stays cool underfoot even on the hottest days. This expansive beach offers ample space for sunbathing, beach games, and leisurely strolls along the shoreline. The crystal-clear waters are perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and paddleboarding. Siesta Beach is well equipped with amenities such as lifeguards, picnic areas, playgrounds, and concession stands. The beach's iconic sunsets are a must-see, offering a breathtaking spectacle of colors that draw both locals and visitors alike. 2. Crescent Beach, located south of Siesta Beach, offers a more tranquil and intimate beach experience. This serene spot is known for its gentle waves and shallow waters, making it ideal for families with young children. Crescent Beach is also home to Point of Rocks, a popular snorkeling and diving site with a vibrant underwater ecosystem. The beach's soft, white sand and clear waters provide a perfect setting for a relaxing day in the sun. Crescent Beach is less crowded than Siesta Beach, offering a peaceful retreat for those seeking a quieter escape. 3. Turtle Beach. For a more secluded and natural beach experience, visit Turtle Beach on the southern end of Siesta Key. This beach is named for the sea turtles that nest along its shores from May to October. Turtle Beach features coarser sand and a steeper shoreline, providing excellent opportunities for shelling and fossil hunting. The beach also offers picnic areas, a playground, and a boat launch for kayaking and fishing adventures. With fewer crowds and a laid-back atmosphere, Turtle Beach is a great spot for nature lovers and those looking to unwind in a tranquil setting. 4. Siesta Key Village is the heart and soul of the island, offering a charming and vibrant atmosphere with a variety of shops, restaurants, and entertainment options. Stroll through the village's pedestrian-friendly streets and explore unique boutiques, art galleries, and souvenir shops. Enjoy a meal at one of the many outdoor cafes and restaurants, offering everything from fresh seafood to international cuisine. The village also hosts live music, festivals, and events throughout the year, providing a lively and engaging experience for visitors. Whether you're looking for a fun night out or a leisurely afternoon of shopping and dining, Siesta Key Village has it all. 5. Siesta Key Drum Circle. Experience the local culture and community spirit at the Siesta Key Drum Circle held every Sunday evening at Siesta Beach. This vibrant and rhythmic gathering brings together drummers, dancers, and spectators to celebrate the setting sun. The Drum Circle is a unique and captivating event that reflects the island's bohemian vibe and laid-back lifestyle. Join in the drumming, dance to the beat, or simply enjoy the mesmerizing atmosphere as the sun sets over the Gulf of Mexico. The Siesta Key Drum Circle is a must-see event that captures the essence of the island's community and spirit. 6. Myakka River State Park. Just a short drive from Siesta Key, Myakka River State Park offers a diverse and immersive outdoor experience. This expansive park is one of Florida's oldest and largest state parks, featuring a variety of ecosystems, including wetlands, prairies, and hammocks. Explore the park's numerous hiking and biking trails, go kayaking or canoeing on the Myakka River, or take a scenic boat tour to see the area's abundant wildlife, including alligators, deer, and a wide variety of bird species. The park also features a canopy walkway and observation tower, providing stunning views of the treetops and surrounding landscape. 7. Mote Marine Laboratory and Aquarium. Discover the wonders of marine life at the Mote Marine Laboratory and Aquarium located in nearby Sarasota. This world-renowned research facility and public aquarium offer a fascinating glimpse into the underwater world of the Gulf of Mexico and beyond. Explore exhibits featuring sharks, manatees, sea turtles, and a variety of fish and invertebrates. The aquarium also offers interactive touch tanks, educational programs, and behind-the-scenes tours, providing an engaging and informative experience for visitors of all ages. Mote Marine Laboratory and Aquarium is a must-visit attraction for anyone interested in marine science and conservation. 8. Sarasota Jungle Gardens. Step into a tropical paradise at Sarasota. Jungle Gardens one of the oldest continuously operating attractions in Florida. This lush 10-acre garden features winding trails, exotic plants, and a variety of animal exhibits. Meet and interact with parrots, flamingos, alligators, and other wildlife as you explore the gardens. The interactive shows and feeding opportunities provide a fun and educational experience for the whole family. Sarasota Jungle Gardens offers a unique and immersive adventure, showcasing the beauty and diversity of Florida's flora and fauna. 9. The Ringling. Explore the rich cultural and artistic heritage of Sarasota at The Ringling a world-class museum complex and historic estate. The Ringling features the John and Mabel Ringling Museum of Art, housing an impressive collection of European, American, and Asian art, including works by Rubens, Velázquez, and Gainsborough. The estate also includes the Quai d'Azan Mansion, the opulent former home of circus magnate John Ringling, offering a glimpse into the lavish lifestyle of the Roaring Twenties. The Ringling Circus Museum celebrates the history of the American circus with fascinating exhibits and artifacts. The beautiful Bayfront Gardens and historic Asolo Theater complete this must-visit cultural destination. 10 Marie Selby Botanical Gardens. Immerse yourself in the beauty and tranquility of Marie Selby Botanical Gardens located on the shores of Sarasota Bay. This 15-acre garden is renowned for its stunning displays of orchids, bromeliads, and other tropical plants. Stroll through the garden's themed areas, including the Tropical Conservatory, Banyan Grove, and Butterfly Garden, each offering a unique and enchanting experience. The gardens also host rotating art exhibits, educational programs, and special events, providing a dynamic and engaging visit for plant enthusiasts and nature lovers. 11. Siesta Key Water Sports. Experience the thrill of water sports and outdoor adventures with Siesta Key Water Sports This local outfitter offers a wide range of activities, including jet skiing, parasailing, paddleboarding, and kayaking. Explore the pristine waters of the Gulf of Mexico and the Intracoastal Waterway, enjoying the stunning scenery and abundant marine life. For a truly unforgettable experience, take a sunset cruise or a dolphin watching tour, where you can see playful dolphins and other wildlife in their natural habitat. Siesta Key Water Sports provides all the equipment and guidance you need for a safe and exhilarating adventure. 12. Siesta Key Farmers Market. Discover the best of local produce, crafts, and cuisine at the Siesta Key Farmers Market held every Sunday morning in Siesta Key Village. This vibrant market features a wide variety of vendors offering fresh fruits and vegetables, homemade baked goods, artisanal products, and unique souvenirs. Enjoy live music, and a relaxed, community-oriented atmosphere as you browse the stalls and sample delicious treats. The Siesta Key Farmers Market is a great place to experience the local culture and support small businesses while enjoying the island's laid-back charm. 13. The Legacy Trail. For outdoor enthusiasts and fitness buffs, ***. The Legacy Trail *** offers a scenic and well-maintained route for biking, running, and walking. This 10-mile paved trail runs from Sarasota to Venice, passing through picturesque landscapes and providing access to several parks and nature preserves. The trail is part of the larger Sarasota County recreational trail system and connects to the Venetian Waterway Park Trail, offering even more opportunities for exploration. Whether you're looking for a leisurely ride or a challenging workout, the Legacy Trail is a fantastic way to experience the natural beauty of the area. 14. Historic Spanish Point. Step back in time at ***. Historic Spanish Point ***, a 30-acre archaeological and historical site located in nearby Osprey. This unique attraction offers a fascinating glimpse into the region's past with exhibits and artifacts spanning over 5,000 years of history. Explore the preserved shell mounds and middens left by the area's early inhabitants, as well as the beautifully restored buildings from the pioneer and homestead eras. The site also features lush gardens, scenic trails, and stunning views of Little Sarasota Bay. Guided tours and educational programs provide a deeper understanding of the area's rich cultural heritage. 15. Big Cat Habitat and Gulf Coast Sanctuary. Animal lovers won't want to miss the *** Big Cat Habitat and Gulf Coast Sanctuary ***, a nonprofit wildlife sanctuary located in Sarasota. This facility is dedicated to the rescue and rehabilitation of exotic animals, including lions, tigers, bears, and primates. Visitors can see these magnificent animals up close and learn about their care and conservation through guided tours and educational programs. The sanctuary also features a petting zoo and bird aviary, offering a fun and interactive experience for the whole family. Big Cat Habitat and Gulf Coast Sanctuary is committed to promoting awareness and appreciation for wildlife through compassionate care and public education. Siesta Key, with its stunning beaches, vibrant village atmosphere, and diverse array of attractions, offers an unforgettable destination for travelers seeking sun, sand, and adventure. From the world-renowned Siesta Beach to the tranquil Turtle Beach, the charming Siesta Key Village, and the many natural and cultural attractions in the surrounding area, there is something for everyone to enjoy. This comprehensive travel guide has highlighted 15 must-visit attractions and tourist spots, each offering a unique and engaging experience. So pack your bags, grab your sunscreen, and get ready to explore the beautiful island paradise of Siesta Key